You're getting that burst of freshness.
Zest of the lemon.
It's not at all bitter. It's just really, you taste the freshness. Soft, flavorful. This is a must try. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we're going to make
A steak corn salad.
Now again, any size steak you have at home that you want to use, this is all about always, like I say, creativity. So use what you have. And if you don't eat meat and you don't want to use steak and you want to replace it, possibly use chicken or turkey, you can do that. Now on this wonderful salad that we have here, we have our arugula as our base of our greens and our cherry tomatoes in no colors today, but the color of red. Heart. And we have some fresh mozzarella, and we have our lemon, and we have our red onions, and of course our wonderful healthy fat of avocado. And the corn I'm using is, like I said, the white corn and the yellow corn, as well as some Parmesan and some honey and avocado oil and our salt and pepper to taste, and our white wine to make our dressing.
And here are a list of ingredients.
And so we're gonna get into the vitamin content.
Here's our vitamin content.
Well, we're gonna put our steak on the grill. Okay. And again, like I said, you don't have steak, you can use whatever meat works for you. And what I'm gonna do is cut up my avocado, and Ian's gonna start to assemble. Let me cut our avocado. And let me tell you guys, I have a really great trick for your avocado to prevent it from oxidizing. But if you go to my sweet potato soup video, you'll find out the trick there.
I'm going to start with the onions first.
We're going to peel this back.
We'll go with the tomatoes.
Oh, I didn't have my bowl today.
They're so looking
okay.
nice. They're really nice.
Yeah, those beautiful cherry tomatoes,
yeah,
right?
They're beautiful. Tomatoes. Okay, so now I got that in
So
there.
here we have our
Corn?
Yep, corn.
Yeah, sure.
Corn is the star, right?
Yes, it is.
With the steak.
Corn in. Chunky cheese. What kind of cheese is this?
This is fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella.
So get your avocado there. Yeah. You know, the food.
Now the beautiful Himalayan salt.
Yes. Then you're gonna make your dressing. And you want to use the best tools in the house, which are?
What God gave me.
Which is?
My hand.
All right now.
RTE, right?
RT is what, Ian?
Ready to eat.
Oh, look at that.
It's looking nice.
Look at that wonderful
That's
steak.
looking gorgeous.
So now we're gonna get it on the other side cooking.
Our seasoned steak is fully cooked. We've sliced it into thin slices so it can go into our steak and corn salad. Yummy. Our salad is all mixed up with our thin sliced ribeye, our cherry tomatoes, our yellow and white corn kernels, as well as our bed of arugula and our fresh mozzarella. Oh, so delicious.
Some lemon zest. Show you our little zester here. Now here's the trick. The trick is, if you want to get your zest to go all in your bowl and not stay on the blade, you should freeze your citrus, whether it's lime, orange, or lemon. Watch. It falls right in and it comes right off. And you could put all of your lemon here. So that's the trick. That's your tip for today. We're gonna mix up in the mason jar. Look at all that beautiful zest. And then here you wanna do your white wine.
Yes.
And your honey. You're just gonna add a little salt and a little black pepper to taste.
Okay.
All right.
Now,
And then you're gonna just shake it up. Shake, shake, shake.
one more? Two squish?
Yep. 2 loves.
There you go, 2 always. A little
1 love.
1 love of pepper, okay.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Ooh,
That's like our little vinaigrette that we are making for this.
okay, here.
All right. So you see how they got kind of thicker already, like a vinaigrette?
Wow.
But they might be. And then we're just gonna drizzle this
Oh, yeah.
all on here. Now let's just put our Parmesan, the finale, ourselves. Here we go.
Our steak and corn salad is a high protein salad with our fresh mozzarella, our thinly sliced ribeye steak that was cooked on the grill, as well as our shredded Parmesan, and it also has the healthy fats of the avocado.
Look at.
A steak corn salad.
Beautiful.
Let's take a bite.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay.
Different flavors from everywhere.
You know, you get the smoothness of the avocado. And that steak is just so tender because it was thin. And the tomatoes are just tasting like great tomatoes with a little kick on it. And the mozzarella, soft, flavorful. This is a must try. Listen, don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. It's really important that you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe so you can see all the new content that we put out weekly. And share. Sharing is caring, remember? Let us know in the comments if you tried this, how it turned out, if you alternated everything. We want to engage with you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.